Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be guiding you the QR code generator code step by step. Before jumping into the code, let's understand what is meant by QR code. QR codes are matrix barcodes that stores various types of data. QR codes are nothing but their versatility makes them incredibly valuable for wide range of applications for marketing, inventory and contactless payments. Basically, these QR codes are used in marketing, inventory management and contactless payments. Most probably we use the QR codes for payments purpose, and these payment purpose, some apps use some apps like GPay, PhonePe, etc. They will be generating one QR code, one QR code based on our account number. Using our account number, they will generate one QR code. So that is how these QR codes are generated. But here we can also generate a QR code using this Python code. You can generate this QR code using an URL, as well as you can also generate the QR code using the data that you want to use. If it is a product name, you can also use that product name to generate a QR code, as well as if it is a grocery, so you can also enter that particular grocery to generate that QR code. Likewise, you can generate as per your requirement. But here we are using a simple example to generate a QR code. Okay, let's dive into the code. First, we have to install the necessary libraries. The library I am using is a QR code. Here, this library is used to generate the QR code programmatically. And the main use of this library is it provides a simple interface to create a QR code with the various customization options. So I have already, you can see here, I have already installed it in my laptop. To install on your laptop, use this line of code. Okay, then I'm importing this library, uh, import QR code. Next, what I'm doing, I'm taking an input from the user. This can be, this data can be of type URL, as well as as I have said, it can be of a grocery name, or it can be a product name, or any other thing. So I'm taking the input from the user and I'm storing that into the data variable. Let's run. Here I'm giving my channel name as a data. Next, here you can see QR is nothing but an instance of this QR code. I'm creating an instance of QR code. In that I'm using this QR code function, and it has these parameters: version, error underscore correction, box size, border. Here error underscore correction is nothing but it is one of the parameters of this QR code, and it is used to specify the error correction level. Here you can see error underscore correct underscore L is nothing but it stands for low error correction. And here box underscore size is nothing but it is used to specify size of each box pixel in our QR code image. And border is nothing but it is used to specify the size of border around the QR code image. So let's run this code. Next, I am adding a data to the QR code instance. Here I have, as I have said, QR is nothing but an instance of QR code, and I am using this instance, and I am adding the data to this QR code instance using the add underscore data function. Using this add underscore data, I am adding the data that I have entered, that I have taken from the user, and I'm adding to this instance QR. Next, I'm ensuring that the QR code is adjusted to fit the data. whatever data the user has given, and I'm making sure that the QR code that is generated is adjusted to fit the data. By using this line of code, I'm making sure that the QR code is adjusted to fit the data. Okay, let's run this code. Next, I am creating an image from QR code instance, and I'm storing it in img variable. Here you can see make underscore image is a function name, and QR is nothing but it is an instance of QR code, and fill underscore color is nothing but it is a parameter of make underscore image, and fill underscore color is nothing but it is a color of the QR code. It is a color of the QR code. Back underscore color is nothing but a background color of the QR code. So here background color I am using is white, and the fill color I am using is black. I mean the QR code will appear in black and the background it will appear as white. Let's run this. Next I'm specifying the directory and the file name. Directory where I want to store this QR code image. I am specifying that path, and I'm also giving the file name. Here you can see I have given qrcode.png as my file name, and I'm saving in this location. Let's run. Then I'm saving the image file that I have already created. Here you can see image.save. Save is a function, and I'm using this directory, using this path and the file name. Instead of this, you can also define like this. Instead of this, you can also define like this. It will do the same. After that, I'm printing the QR code generated successfully at that particular location with that file name. So here you can see the QR code is generated successfully at this location with that particular file name. Let's check it once on a laptop. Here you can see the QR code is generated successfully. So this is how you can generate the QR code. If you want to customize the QR code as per your requirements, we can also customize. Let's do some changes in the code to make the QR code more colorful. Before that, I have to close this. Next, I'm changing the size. I'm changing the size to 20. And I'm also changing the fill color. I'm also changing the fill color to blue and the background color to pink. Let's run this code and let's check once again. See, here you can see the code. QR code is generated successfully with the background color as pink and fill color as blue, and the size also increased to 20. Likewise, you can customize as per your requirement. So this is how you can create a QR code using the Python. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please do share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned and happy coding. Thank you.